So we should be going up the river, but we'll go and we'll try to get some of them smaller fish here. Some for use as bait, some for use as food. Oh, down there say I go? Yeah. Okay. I think up.
You know, man.
Fish down there.
Alright, so what we are doing, we are going to rip them out.
So there's 2 places, there's 5 places now to fix up here. So one there, so.
Right, one over on the.
How much really? You can tell how much. You took that to where you want to put that water.
Right.
One over there, so.
One crossover in a mangrove.
3 sticks there, so.
Right.
There, so put one. Right there, so.
So why wouldn't you put some up in the grass them, under the grass them?
Try there, so we're going to test.
Okay.
Hey!
You have water bag?
Yeah!
Traps going out.
Loop around your waist, loop around you. Just put it behind you. Oh, other way. Put it behind you.
A real smoker, 2 lighter y'all won't have in your lap and 1 cigarette. I tried that, it don't work.
Then you sit there, then thief too often. So I'm join them, hard of it.
No, man, you know, that's why you don't learn out lighter. You walk with 2, so when you learn out one and then you give you back one.
That's why I have it for them.
Or you walk with 1 alone, so when you learn out, you just reach back far. Fish in the side, no? Fish under your side.
Come up, can work with you, come up. We don't sit down.
A shrimp them, you know.
Yeah, I know, this is all the time.
Shrimp them, I say, you know, so fish under them, enough.
That's you have to go get together.
Push up.
Give me a trap.
Actually, you know, long, I think me a record, you know.
Oh, what?
Think me a record, I tell you. That happened to me last week with the time with the crab. Think me a record and nothing. So anyway, an update with the
We set 3 pots already. We're on our way back to the round. Pick up some more traps.
Set more traps. So we set them in the grass alongside the river, in the mangroves on the side, under some trees and them stuff there. Think me a record all this time, all no camera don't turn on.
YouTuber you are.
I see if I say I'm gonna try to save some battery, you know.
Some YouTuber you are.
I know. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm a person who likes fishing and walks with a camera. that's it.
So you're an influencer.
Me an influence, who may I influence? Are you the influence maker? You can kayak in deep water. You don't even know if I can swim, I have me out there.
You say so because I bring my life, let's see. I never want it.
I mean, this not too big when I go drown, you know. Unless me lose my mind and freak out.
The lie, to tell you, say, you know, use the shark or something in there.
Me no matter if they're in there. It no matter as long as they come out of the water before they reach you. It no matter where they're in there. If I drop off of this now, where do you think I go swim around? Yeah, I can swim. I go ahead to the nearest thing I can come out of the water for. Yeah, go around, eh? So you move this too?
No, very nice.
Not lying there, man.
Oh, come on.
I think you won't get nothing else either. Too much activity there, so.
Okay, there. I have to take nobody. That's the time. I go on the
Crash landing. Better than no landing. Yo, I'm a rod that you try broke up, you know. Mind yourself, you know.
Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro.
Can't manage a broken rod today, and although you just give me one little one, but the little one there I figure try catch barra. So we'll pick up the other. How much that? 4 or 3? 5 left? So we'll pick up the other 5 and we'll go drop them down in our river mouth. Yeah, this is so peaceful out on the water. I tell you, you know, being out on the water is a different feeling, you know. A different feeling. Just being on the shoreline around the water is heaven. So you know, say, if you're out up on the water, it's something completely different. Holy more. But anyway, how much we have? 5 left. Tina, how much you have? Tina around there troll. Tina around there fish. Alright, so we are gonna set the next 5 and see what goes on. Should I take out my rod and drop it too, you know? But no bait one. Tina have a whole bait over there.
Yeah.
Oh no, we have a bait, man. Bait and I glue. Yeah, not try set up my line and
Alright, just one.
Drop one.
Right, just one, drop one.
Yeah, man. We'll go drop one at this tree right here. Going down. Alright, all traps are set. And we are going up the river to our spot, see if we can find a spot to drop some line and see if we can get 2 more fish somewhere. Everything are gone. A flight, a Ferrari team will drive. Can I record up as I be a music? Jano. Would you believe? My DJI camera fell in the river. Don't ask me when. I just know some look around. They look fit to do some B-roll picture, B-roll video. And it wasn't there. You know, some stick me push it down with the hand there. Ah boy. So I lost my camera. Camera dropped in the river. And the river is very deep, so there's no way of finding it. And even if I could find it, I don't see where it dropped either. So I don't see where it dropped either, so that. So I only have the GoPro camera right now. Yeah. A fishy boy catch. A fishing catch. Nice mudfish. He think a snag, he snag. See the fish gripper, man. Hold on, man. Wrong part I'm out of hook. I top part of hook.
Let me get biggest fish today so far.
Calm down, man.
Yo, I'm jogging out of my hole a while ago now. I'm sure it's not another pan this.
You feel I'm stuck down there.
I'm stuck, you're stuck. I'm jogging out of my hole.
Nice one, this.
Biggest fish for the day.
Nice mudfish.
Yeah.
Let's string him up.
Brad,
Yeah.
what's the time of this or not dead?
You go dead, man. If you dead, what do you mean? Time out in the water?
Yeah.
No, sir. We need to change to a different color then, because first chopper come up.
How much the gambling today? What's the gambling, the parlay?
It's a little slow today, so I'll say about 4 or 5.
4 or 5?
It seems a little slow today.
Some 8 man.
That look like 0. I lie, me I'm telling you 0, like. Come. We don't have time for that.
Oh, we have buddy.
We don't have time for that. Come.
We have time for
Put
that.
it around and let me see why
We
in
have
there.
time for rejoice
Oh, you go through them out in that.
and enjoy.
Fourth pot of the day. First one we had a couple. I see one at least.
When you have a few, it's about
See fish night?
one little snapper in there. I make you alone kill this summer boy. Alright, so like me say, I dash on my camera. Just picked it up and threw it in the water. You better just take your money and just go dash it, just can't go through. No, cause you know you wouldn't use suit nobody. You not gonna suit nobody way there now. You better just anyway. We are here. Digress. We pull the trap then. How much we've gone 4 trap already, we get a few crabs. We're gonna pull the rest and we are go up on the little beach right there so and set up one fire. See if we can roast a few of them. We get 2 little fish in our morning too, so we all drop them on there and see.
You mean a big
See what go on and we get a nice big mudfish. Or Conrad catch a big mudfish, so non-killer catch a nice big mudfish.
Biggest killer today.
So we go, yeah, we go that way.
One friend, my deal.
Female. All females must go back.
Well, all want egg bearing.
Well, all the egg bearing females. One them wanna have egg, we'll give them some egg.
Not about getting brand.
No bad. Can go on.
Huh?
Okay, so we land, pull the first set of trap, we pull them and set them back. And we are now 301 or so. We are go. Now we have make up a fire and we have a couple of fish we catch this morning, like I say. Couple of fish we catch this morning. And we'll go roast 2 crab and a couple of fish then because another balls ain't hungry. Tina, you hungry?
Oh, let me next.
Tina hungry. And me hungry, so we're gonna start out some food. Hold on. What's it?
Food pan grill. Crab in a pot. In a crab pot. On the riverside. Yes, peeps. We that. Two jack, two snapper, one big mudfish. We have some crab to go up on it too. Alright. So we have snapper and we have jack. Alright. I work on the jack. You see on the slippers, you know? You peel off the skin because we roast it with the skin and the scale. So look at that.
I think I fish them ready.
How it is?
It's like burnt fish.
Yes, yes. Lift up that the right remember see.
Let's take whatever picture you want to take and whatever video and send them to. Can you see?
Fish.
Mudfish.
Fish. Muddy.
Mothers. Tastes alright, man. Mudfish in bone them big though.
Soft.
And safi.
I will take a taste.
Just fish.
Nah, you don't taste no way.
Not taste no way.
What is the texture?
If it did a little bit firmer, it would have better. But
That day over there, pop. You pop on something fly past me, so boom. Like I'm going to wedding going go.
yeah, I still have vex with myself, you know, because I can't understand how I could have lose the camera. So we Conrad finish up in crab. And Tino they do Tino stuff. Finish eat. I mean, it was a small little fire. See it go on over there, so still. Sun in. I don't know if rain gonna fall, but I don't think so.
We have a next set to draw.
We go draw the neck, the pot them again, and then head in. So if you not see me after this a little more. Still vex.